Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is March 31st, 2019, and this is my bi-weekly grow update. I'm upstairs with, these are all of my extras. They're in wicking cups, and most of them I have actually wicking out of the containers that they're sprouted in. So this is an AeroGarden Bounty, high heat lemon drop. This is a shishito crossed with Stavros. You can see it's just wicking out of the containers, and these were transplanted. These are in 8-ounce cups. And they were transplanted when they just sprouted, so they didn't even have true leaves yet. And they've done really well. Here's a blue Christmas. Here's another blue Christmas. This one's got a little bit of leaf curl, which might be a response to the light on the Bounty. Blue Christmas peppers don't generally like a whole lot of light, but like this one under the Sansi light looks a lot better. And they're getting the same nutrients too. I still have a few on the sprout. This is Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion crossed with Moruga, Yellow Pheno. This is the Primo crossed with Carbonero. It's a Tony Sherwood cross. Orange Ghost. It's a Star Watcher Hornet. It's a Elysium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Mustard. That's a Drino. So I've got a couple of these little witch oregano plants growing back here. These are in wicking cups as well. So yeah, these are all of my extras in case something happens to my downstairs plants, or I'll probably eventually give some of these away to my friends. This is unknown. I mislabeled it. It looks like some kind of a chinense. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just going to let it grow out and see what it is. Anyway, let me take you downstairs and I'll show you the plants I have in the grow tent. You know, on the way down to the basement, I just wanted to show you, this is everything left over from last year that I dried. These are all still vacuum sealed. So I've got a lot to do stuff with. Anyways, I'll show you that. Okay, these are the plants I have under the two HLG 100 grow lights. And these are all in wicking cup. I still haven't moved them to larger containers to wick from. So I'm just hand watering these every few days. They're at the point where they're going to need it every day. This is my Sweet Christmas. It's Blue Christmas crossed with Stavros F2. A little bit of leaf curl. And yeah, I just actually added water this morning and it's already drank that up. So yes, I got mostly all my annuums on this side. Here's a Blue Christmas there. Looks really good. This is a shishito. It's a Genzo, I believe. This is a Palmyra. Pruned it back, so it's starting to get some focus on the room. I'm starting to get some new growth on it. These are my Jeanette's peppers. This is White Hot Lime, which is Justin White. Star Watch Hornet, King Star. This is a 7-pot peach. A purple pumpkin here in the back. This is a Leviathan Gnarly Scorpion. King Star Yellow Pumpkin right there. It's a Butch Tea Scorpion. Looks good. Elysium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Red. Very back is a Daddle. Chocolate Bootla DM strain. No, SM. It's the Steve McLaurin strain. These are looking good. I'm going to put them in some containers to wick from. This will make it a little easier and they'll be able to just direct feed as much as they need to. 4 more weeks I should be putting these outside. I'll show you one more thing. Actually a couple more things. This is a Bidjalokia under a little Sansi light in a DWC. I pruned it back severely a few times. You can see how big the trunk is. It's getting me a pretty old plant. It's been indoors over a year now. And I pruned it back to nothing really 2 or 3 times and it keeps growing back. Try to put it outside this year. And these are plants I have under the Mr. Hua cob lights. This is, you want to see what a double cup plant that's been in there for a year looks like. This has been pruned several times. But it's a King Star Lemon Starburst. See what the looks like. So yeah, I'm putting this outside too. I just pruned these back. Let me turn this off. One of these, I didn't label them. One of these is a Kingstar Red and the other is a Star Watcher Bonnet. I think that's the Star Watcher Bonnet there. They're just wicking out of this 5-gallon bucket. There's Donna Grow in there. So I'll put those out this year as well. So I've got this Lemon Starburst just sitting here with it. Yeah, so this is my bi-weekly grow update. I do these every 2 weeks. So please subscribe if you want notifications. Click the bell icon to get notifications of new content. Anyway, I hope you like that. Thank you very much for watching.